Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the beginning of Kit Conspiracy. This is a month-long series that I'm doing with MK over on her channel, Some Assemblage Required. Each week we have a kit that we are working with. We are working with the same kit, and we're going to see how we use each kit differently. For the first week, we are actually using the same photos because the photos were taken when we were together. So that'll be even more interesting. So this is a look at our first kit, and each week we will share the kit with you, and then we will do at least 3 layouts with it, and then we will move on to the next week. If we do more than 3 layouts, that's just a bonus for you, but we've committed to doing at least 3 layouts. And I think it's 3. Oh, maybe I should look. Yep, 3 layouts. And then the Monday of the next week, we will share the next kit, and then we will post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday the layouts that we do with each kit. So Mondays are the kit share. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays are the layouts. And if you get a bonuses in between there, yay for you. I'm sure you will, because last time I ended up doing a lot of extras. So our first kit is the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Farmhouse Garden, and we used the Collector's Essential Kit. And this is kind of a look at what's in there. I already pulled it out of the plastic, so you didn't have to listen to me crinkle that around. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the papers. So we have this paper. It is called I Love My Herd. And then it is a black and white gingham on the other side. And then this one is called The Sweet Life. Lots of veggies growing there. And then the back side are these, it's like a collage of advertisements. This floral that is called Homegrown. It's got pears and apples in it. And then the flip side is like, it's a stripe, but then it's got little tiny apples. This is called Market Days. It looks like a bandana. And the flip side is chickens, cows, sheep, barns, pigs. We are using this kit because we have photos of us feeding baby cows together. So that was one of the reasons we chose this kit. This one is called Simple Things. I think that's really cute. I love the windmill. And a chicken wire on the back side. So that's kind of cool. Lots of things you can do with that. This one is called Farm Fresh. Looks like we've got some melons, some lettuce, peas, tomatoes, the farm animals again, and then this peachy chicken paper. We have this peachy one, again, more chickens. We didn't really see a lot of chickens there, but I do have photos of chickens, so maybe I'll add some chicken photos in there too. Turquoise polka dot. This one is called Humble and Kind, which actually looks... Oh, it is actually the same paper, Humble and Kind, and I have 2 of them. I wonder if there's supposed to be 2 of each sheet, because I did not even look at that. We will find out. This one's called On the Farm, a black and white with lots of veggies. And this is a black and white, and it looks like there's some farm settings back in here. And this one is actually called On the Farm, in case I didn't say that. Journal Elements, so that's good. It's a cut apart. So kind of match everything. Oh, I like the turquoise with the fruit and flowers. This is the 3x4 elements. And then the back side, it says Market Garden. This says the Market Gardeners. And then like bulbs and seeds, all heart lettuce. This one is called Seed Packet Elements. And then a music sheet, and it is called A Farmer I Will Be. That is the name of the song, not the paper. So a little different. And then 4x6 elements. Life is better on the farm. And then it's got this blue. I really like that. I'm sure I'll be using that. And then the sticker sheet. Lots of good stickers going on here. And then we have the chipboard. I don't know what that piece is. It's fallen down behind, but lots of awesome things in the chipboard. Some brads with a little bit more chipboard. It's kind of fun. We have the foam sticker sheet. These almost look like they're rubber, but they're not. But they do look kind of like rubbery. That's interesting. So those are kind of cool. We have a lot of this stacked animals motif going on, I noticed. And then I've got the garden bits, which I'm not going to open it since I can just kind of show it up on the screen really closely here. I'm standing up to do this so I can get close up into my screen and see that you can still see it. So lots of neat things. I like that the cow is separate there. There's a couple of them actually, so that's kind of cool. And then this is the farmhouse garden. So this is more bits and pieces. So, and then the essential kit. I don't think the essential kit came with everything that was in there. I think it did not come with the foam letters. I can double check that before I sign off, but it did come with this washi, which is super cute. So I like when they do that because it's just you don't get a huge roll of it, but it's plenty for what we're doing. So yeah, it came with the bits and pieces, and it came with the chipboard stickers, the 12x12 cardstock stickers, and the washi tape. So it did not come with the foam stickers, and it did not come with the farmhouse garden bits and pieces. So it came with the garden bits, but not the bits and pieces. Hopefully that made sense. Okay, so I have an addendum to my kit. MK had some additional papers that I did not have. And so I went in my stash and I pulled things that were very similar. She had 3 additional papers, 2 of which were green on one side and yellow on the back. So I had to pull 2 separate papers because I didn't have ones that were exactly like hers. So this is going to count as 1 paper. I'm ignoring what's on the back side of each one. So she had 2 sets of that. So that's what I'm going to count this as, my two sets. So I don't get to use 2 yellows and 2 greens. I have to pick and choose. And then she also had one that is turquoise on one side and pink on the, or peach on the other side. Now her peach is a little bit darker than my peach. Her peach matches this, whereas mine is a little lighter and matches this. And then the turquoise that we have, mine is, it doesn't really match the blue that's in here. It's supposed to match this. And mine matches the darker letters. I think hers is a slight bit lighter. Hers is more of the lighter aqua color. But that was the best I had in my stash. So I am going to consider this one piece as well. They're not Simple Stories papers. This one, I don't know where this pinky peachy color one came from. This other one is from SEI. It's a Vanilla Sunshine, really old piece of paper. I don't even see a date on it, but it is old. The green ones are very old as well. They are from Scrabble from 2009. So super excited to get those out of my stash. And then the yellow ones are from Cartabella's Cool Summer. And I don't know that that has a date on it either, but probably not as old as the others. So I'm going to add those to my kit as well and keep, and we'll see what we can do with it all together. So that is it for our first collection. So stay tuned tomorrow to see what I can create from it. Thanks for watching.